So if you're looking for some really good pencils to draw on your bowling ball, do not get this one. This is the cheap Brunswick one. The lead ends up breaking every time you draw on it. It's really thick. Not a good one. Ditch that one. I found the Nick Pro pencil holders. And I used the Pica-Dry refills here. Very good quality. These are $9 a piece on Amazon. And they come in all sorts of different colors. I got a package of white. You got graphite, red, yellow. There's blue, white, and green. And if you get the Nick Pro, you can color coordinate them, put them all in the different colors so you can quickly grab the color that you need on a bowling ball. And here's what they look like. Very easy to write on the ball. And it comes off with just a simple white or a little bit of water. Pretty good for marking your bowling balls when you're doing layouts.